Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we will find what is gamma half. So let's start. So first of all, let's write the formula for gamma n, and the formula of gamma n is from 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power n minus 1 dt, and this range is the range of t. Well, now we have to put n is equal to half here, then we will get t's range is from 0 to infinity e to the power minus t to the power half minus 1. So this half minus 1 is equal to minus half, so let's write here minus half. Well, so now we have to find the value of this integration. So let's see what happens. So first of all, I will choose that t is equal to z square, and if I take the differential, so I will get dt, and here I will get 2z dz. Okay, so now let's put the value of t here. So instead of t, now let's write here minus z square, and then now let's see what is the value of this. As t is equal to z square, so we can write t to the power minus half. Let's write t to the power minus half, so I will have to write minus half here. So t to the power minus half is simply is equal to z inverse 1. That means 2 cancels out and we have z inverse 1, so 1 by z. So let's write this value here, and I will get here 1 by z. And now let's write the value of dt here, and we will get 2z dz, and this z cancels out. And now let's see what is the range of z now. This is actually the range of t, but now we have to put the range of z. So let's see what happens. Let's examine this formula. T is equal to z square. You see the range of t is from 0 to infinity, right? So let's see when t is equal to 0, what is the value of z, and when t tends to infinity, what is the value of z. So when t is equal to 0, the value of z is also equal to 0, and when t is tends to infinity, z is also tends to infinity. So the two range are actually same. So let me put this value here from z is equal to 0 to infinity. So let's write integration of z is equal. Okay, so z is equal to 0 to infinity. Now let's write this 2 outside, then e to the power minus z square dz. Well, so this is actually the Gaussian integration. We have solved this integration in previous video. Let me just write the value of this integration here. The value of this is simply equal to root over pi divided by 2, and let's write this 2 here, and we will have gamma 2 is equal to 2 cancels out, root over pi. Sorry, this is not gamma 2, this is actually gamma half. So we have found that gamma half is equal to root over pi. So why I have find this gamma half, what is the significance of gamma half? Well, so let's find that. Let's say that, let's see what is actually gamma n. So gamma n is simply is equal to n minus 1 factorial, right? From the previous video we see that gamma n is equal to n minus 1 factorial, and this gamma n can be written as, this n minus 1 factorial can be written as n minus 1, then n minus 2, then n minus 3, up to 3, 2, 1. Now let's see what is this. This part is simply is equal to n minus 2 factorial, right? Well, so this is n minus 1, then gamma n. Now let's see that, let's now write the formula again. Gamma n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So if I take a minus here, then we also have to take a minus 1 here. So if I take a minus 1 here, this will become n minus 2 factorial. So let's plug this value here, and we get another formula, and that is gamma n is equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1. And by using this formula we can find the value of different values gamma. Well, so we have two formulas here. Gamma half is equal to root over pi, and we have derived another formula. Using this formula, let's find what is the value of minus gamma minus half. So let's start. So let's assume that n is equal to half. Okay, so if n is equal to half, then put this value here and you will get gamma half. And if you put this half here, then half minus 1, then inside gamma you have half minus 1. So gamma half is equal to root over pi divided by 2. Then you have here a minus, well, wait a minute, root over pi, right? Not root over pi by 2, root over pi. Then you have here half minus 1, that means minus half, and then you have gamma minus half. Now let's place put this value here, then we will get minus 2 root over pi, which is equal to minus gamma half. Well, so now let's do another thing. Already we have found gamma half is equal to root over pi, and we also found that gamma n is equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1. Wait, here. So gamma n is equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1, and using this formula we can easily find gamma 3 by 2. Well, let's find some bigger one. Let's find gamma 5 by 2. Well, so how to do this? Let's first use this formula. Okay, so this gamma 5 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2 minus 1 gamma 5 by 2 minus 1. So 5 by 2 minus 1 means 3 by 2, then gamma 3 by 2. Well, we can again use this formula here. So let's use this formula over gamma 3 by 2. So we have to write here first 3 by 2 minus 1, then gamma 3 by 2 minus 1. So we can write 3 by 2, then this thing is equal to half, and this thing is equal to gamma half, and we know the value of gamma half. This is simply is equal to root over pi. So the value of gamma 5 by 2 is simply is equal to 3 by 4 root over pi. Well, so by this you can find gamma half, gamma 3 by 2, gamma 5 by 2, gamma 7 by 2, and whatever you want. Well, thank you.